Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. How are you doing? So today we're talking about the mind-blowing Bitcoin analysis. So I'll be showing you something on the chart right now, which is very important. So before we continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel and watching this video right now, please subscribe to this channel and put on the notification so that you get content like this. And also don't forget to like this video. So let's dive into the chart. I will not waste your time. So currently we have the Bitcoin chart in our front, and Bitcoin currently uh went to a low of $30,000 and went back to $36,000, but because of the resistance around that particular region, in which it returned back inside the pinning triangle, which I've drawn for a long time. It broke out of the triangle here because there was resistance. It was rejected and pulled back inside the triangle, and same thing happens here also, which is currently here. So, but let me show you something. So let's quickly go back to 4 hours time frame. Okay, now okay, now we are there. So now currently, don't forget that Bitcoin reaches a level of 20,000, then pull back up, then pull back up to this level, then pull back and came down again to a level of 30,000, then pulled up because there was a resistance around this particular region. There's a resistance, a strong resistance around this region when it's broke out of this pinning triangle. So this resistance pulls the price downward back. And when the price was being pushed down back, where do you expect the price of Bitcoin to bounce back? Now, looking at it, since the price reached this 10,000 and 20,000, there's a trend that follows that particular path. And I put up a trend line on that particular region, on that particular zone. And I was able to notice that where Bitcoin is consolidating currently, that is where we might have a little bounce up. So immediately Bitcoin got to this region and I was looking at the formation. I enter a long position here on my futures in Binance, and currently I'm running over 40% profit based on the leverage I use. And what I'm expecting from this region actually is to see Bitcoin bouncing up from this region and touching this particular trend line of the pinning triangle. This top trend line, the pinning triangle, this yellow line, and sorry, this green this green trend line. Now, but there's something. So I'm expecting it to bounce off from this region. But there's one thing I want you to notice. I told you that this is a trend line that passes through this region. Do you understand? Not only that, this particular trend line that passes this region also is a strong level. Let me increase it. Yeah, this dotted line that passes through here also, this dotted white line that passes through here, is a very strong trend line also, in which meet, you understand, it intersects with the trend line that is coming from this particular turning point of a Bitcoin price, and these two meet together, and with this trend line also making this particular level a very strong level. That's why Bitcoin is consolidating within this region around since yesterday it has been consolidating within this region. So now it now depends on the price movement of Bitcoin currently now. But looking at it very well, Bitcoin gave us an engulfing candle, you understand, a very buying signal, you understand, from this region with this green candle engulfing this previous one. But this one is not enough yet, you understand, to tell you that the price of Bitcoin is moving upward. Do you understand? Because of the resistance of a trend that is above the price of Bitcoin currently. So if the price of Bitcoin should push up from this region, you might see it touching this trend line, and that's around that's around $34,200. And from this region, if the price is able to push above this region, you might see it coming to come and test the 30,000 or 36,000 level. But if the price of Bitcoin is unable to break this particular resistance, we might see it pushing down back again. You might see it pulling down again and coming to come and break this particular support trend line that is resting on and coming below. But looking at the strongness of this support, I feel this particular level should hold the price of Bitcoin. But don't forget, there's nothing 100% in the market. So if I see the price of Bitcoin misbehaving around this region, the formation is changing, I might exit my long position. So and change it to position and change. Maybe I can see a opportunity to enter for a short position, but before I can enter for a short position, I might have seen that Bitcoin price break below this particular trend line, this particular support trend that is resting on. Then I might enter a short position and take profit around $29,000 again. So, but there's something I also want you to look at also. If you just look at it on the Bollinger Band, the Bollinger Band is telling us that the price of Bitcoin is possible for it to come to around $32,000 for a proper formation. But if you have to check it on Ichimoku, it's telling us, that's on a 4 hour, it's telling us that the price of Bitcoin should bounce up from mid region since it has broken above the bearish cloud and coming for a retest, and the retest is exactly on this green cloud, which a particular level passes through this region, which might actually push the price upward. But even if the price is pushed upward, I'm looking around $34,200 because there's a level around that region in which might want to push the price down, unless we have a very strong momentum and push the candle or push the price upward above that particular region. So that's all for that. So let's see how the trade plays out with this within the next 4 hours. So thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to this video to this channel if you have not subscribed before. And if you have subscribed and you have not put on the notification, please put it on now. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless you all.